Süt, süt, süt.
Hi,
Hi.
this is Esin and Ediz from Bomet, Turkey. We have trained over 15,000 trainers in the last 20 years all over the world. Join us in our webinar with Collegia Education to learn activities which can be used for your online classes and also in offline seasons. We have a host of activities planned for you which include body percussion, rhythm and dance, cup games, rhythm with card games. Anyone who works with the children between the age group of 3 to 7 years can join, and you don't need to have any prior knowledge or experience of teaching music. Also, as goodies, we will be sharing all the music used in webinar and also PDFs. So do join us for a fun and enjoyable time. Looking forward to see you online. Bye bye.